Do prepositions confuse you? Don't worry, you will learn them all in under 2 minutes. Let's begin. The apple is on the table. Use on when something is resting on a surface. The apple is in the bowl. Use in when something is inside a space or container. The cat is under the table. Use under when something is below or beneath. The bird is flying over the tree. Use over for movement above something but not touching. The clock is above the sofa. Above means higher than, without movement. The cat is hiding behind the curtain. Behind means at the back of something. The student is standing in front of the blackboard. This means facing or at the front side. The girl is sitting beside her mother. It means close to or right beside. The cat is between two chairs. Use between when something is in the middle of two things. The boy jumped into the pool. Into shows movement from outside to inside. The cat jumped onto the table. Use onto when there is movement from one place to another, especially going upward or toward a surface. The cat jumped out of the box. Out of means coming from inside to the outside. Use at when you talk about a specific point in time. The class starts at 9 a.m. We eat dinner at night. Let's meet at Christmas. It's short, exact, and very specific. Use on when you talk about a day or a date. For example, my birthday is on Monday. We met on 14th Feb. He left on New Year's Eve. On is perfect for dates, days, and specific occasions. Use in when you talk about longer periods like months, years, or centuries. We met in January. I was born in 1994. He lived in India in the 19th century. Now you're ready to use prepositions like a pro.